Namaste and welcome to our channel on Cloud9. We all know that eating healthy is good for us, but what's even better? Eating at a right time. In this episode, we bring a practical tips from an expert Vaishali Ganorkar on when to eat what. So Vaishali has done her MSc in nutrition. She has done her diploma in dietetics. She has trained 200 faculties on Ayurveda cooking in India and Russia. And she has been a nutrition coach for more than 2 decades.
We all think that lime, oranges are citrus and so these are acidic. But that's not true. So we are going to understand today 3 things. Acid and alkaline foods. How does acid build in the body? What are alkaline foods and when do you eat them? So there are 2 kinds of foods. The alkaline foods which on digestion leave behind an alkaline residue and acidic foods which on digestion leave behind an acidic residue. Why is this important? Because our body's composition is alkaline. The fluids inside the body have a measure and that's called a pH. It's a scale. This scale runs from 0 to 14. 0 to 6.9 is acid, 7 is neutral and 7.1 to 14 is alkaline. We human beings are between 7.35 to 7.45. But many a times, because of the choice of food, stress and body's own innate nature, this composition of acid-alkaline balance can get affected. There are 3 things that build acid up in the body. Every single day, 1/3 of our body cells die, and what is the dead cell is acidic in nature. That's one. Second, now if there is a stress stimulus that affects us, something happens and we start getting to worry, anxious, become fearful, what starts happening? Certain chemicals get released in our body. All these chemicals are also acidic in nature. And third, if we choose foods like tin, can, packed, processed, a lot of cooked food, all of this is what we keep eating, then also on digestion the residue that's coming out is acid. So that's what we need to look at. There's so much of acid that's getting formed. The body has to balance this by making sure that this acid is neutralized and thrown out. And so it becomes important that 70 to 80% of what we eat is alkaline. So what foods are alkaline? All your fresh fruits, all vegetables, all your sprouts, all your nuts and seeds are alkaline. Yes, there may be things like oranges, sweet lime. In vegetable you can have lemons, all of this. Now we think this is acidic. They are not. On digestion, these are alkaline. So it's important to make sure that we eat these foods every single day. And how do you ensure that we get more and more alkaline food? So by eating a larger portion of fruits, salads, all of this we can take care. Eat fruits always on an empty stomach, which is in the morning for breakfast and between 4 and 6. You can always have your cooked meal at lunch and dinner time, whatever that is, with a bowl of salad. Your salad could be made with vegetables, it could be sprouts which are lightly steamed, it could have all the nuts to it so that it gives a crunch and taste. And automatically acid is being produced, but it can be neutralized because of the alkaline foods. Yes, that's what's very important.
Thanks Vaishali for enlightening us. I hope you all enjoyed this episode and can implement these tips. In our next episode, we'll be talking about the nature of the food. Until we meet next, stay safe, stay well, Sukhi Bhava.